When disaster strikes, it commonly occurs at times that we least expect, leaving you and your company in a state of confusion and distress. Calamities such as floods, fires, and even natural disasters like tornadoes and earthquakes will leave you awestruck by the amount of damages left behind. But fear not, because at Approved Group International, or better known as AGI, we have a team of consultants and engineers that are ready to investigate the cause and minimize the loss. These men and women are forensic investigators, forensic engineers, and restoration consultants from AGI. Should your asset experience a disaster, such as fire, machine failure, or even an explosion, this can be resolved by using simulation and AI software while being ably assisted by a team of forensic consultants and engineers to investigate the damage and losses. At the helm of the forensic investigation team is John Huswell.
We at AGI can investigate fires and explosions and machinery malfunctions. As with our progress reports, we provide our clients with risk improvement to prevent the issue reoccurring.
Knowing the cause and the origin of the disaster is one thing, but what about the extent of the damages? Restoration and repairs are two things that are costly to every business. And knowing the exact extent of contamination and the scale of the damages is crucial in making informed decisions to begin the restoration and repairs. AGI's damage assessment team is able to establish the extent of the damages to buildings and equipment through utilization of artificial intelligence and big data. With the procured information, AGI can provide immediate restoration, repairs, and replacement proposals to minimize downtime. Taking the reins of the damage assessment department is Azim Jamal.
By using the data we receive from our sophisticated software, we can assist and advise our client with detailed evaluation of the damages regarding the best method for restoration.
Speaking of restoration, you can leave it in the hands of AGI specialists. With the data acquired from the damage assessment, AGI's disaster restoration team are capable of restoring any equipment and plant by transferring the data into 3D imaging for accurate repairs, as well as applying the science of fluid dynamics using patented reagents. Leading this sector is Kirit Kumar, HOD of Disaster Restoration.
Through the application of 3D imaging and fluid dynamics, we are more than capable of restoring any humid structure or soot-contaminated equipment with maximum efficiency.
Forensic investigation, damage assessment, and restoration are all damages that are visible to the naked eye. What about the dangers that surround us that are not visible? Amidst a pandemic, we can never be too careful. That's why AGI's sterilization team uses Sterimist, a powerful disinfectant machine which was invented for the US Department of Defense. It ensures that all equipment and facilities are free of any viruses and bacteria.
The Sterilisation, built for the US Department of Defense, has a 6-log kill rate which destroys 99.9999% of viruses and bacteria, ensuring the safety of employees in any medical facility, building, plant or factory.
At AGI, we believe that innovation begins with combining science and technology. Through research and development, we've improved our technology so that we're truly experts in our fields. All our departments are truly the best, and we want to provide these services for you. We want to ensure that your experience is the best when you entrust us with your assets at Approved Group International.